A dynamo is a device that generates electrical power for various applications, such as charging the battery in a vehicle or powering electrical systems in machinery. When a car dynamo is not functioning properly, it can lead to various issues. Here are some common symptoms of a bad dynamo. Battery not charging. One of the primary functions of a dynamo is to charge the battery. If the dynamo is faulty, it may fail to provide sufficient charging current to the battery, leading to a drained battery and difficulty starting the vehicle or machinery. Dim or flickering lights. In vehicles, a bad dynamo can cause the headlights and other electrical lights to be dim or flicker. This indicates a drop in the electrical power output, affecting the lighting system's performance. Electrical system failure. A failing dynamo may result in other electrical components malfunctioning or not working at all. This can include problems with the power windows, radio, air conditioning, and other electrical accessories. Strange noises. A worn-out or damaged dynamo may produce unusual noises, such as grinding, whining, or squealing. These noises could indicate issues with the bearings, pulley, or internal components. Overheating. If the dynamo is working harder than usual to generate electricity, it may become overheated. Overheating can lead to system failures and potential damage to the dynamo. Warning lights. On modern vehicles, there is often a dashboard warning light that indicates a problem with the charging system. If this light comes on, it may be due to a faulty dynamo or associated components. Electrical burning smell. If the dynamo is producing excessive heat or experiencing internal electrical issues, it may emit a burning smell, which can be a clear sign of a problem. Vehicle stalling. In some cases, a bad dynamo may cause the engine to stall, especially when using electrical accessories like air conditioning or the heater. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's essential to have the dynamo inspected and repaired. Ignoring dynamo issues can lead to further electrical problems and potential damage to other components in the vehicle or machinery.